Do not buy this kind of coffee maker. I don't know how you pronounce it. Keurig. They're very popular in hotels. This is the third one I've had in a hotel that doesn't work. I got this in here. Okay? Instruction says close it. The water opens up. I got water in there. It says close it. Power button is on. Doesn't say anything here about the power button being on or off. Well, I put it on. Okay? Place cup. Cup is placed. Hit brew. Nothing happens. This is the third one in a hotel room I've had that does not work. Try hitting brew again. Nothing. I wouldn't spend my money on this device. Now you know why I bring my own coffee.